Hello guys, and today we're gonna start a new tutorial on how to use Movavi Video Editor. Now the first thing we have to do is download Movavi. Now how do we do that? So we go we just type in Movavi Video Editor Plus download. Like this is for the Plus version. And go to movavi.com. Now right now, well, there is a download for free one, but that's a 7-day trial. And so, you see this, click the buy now thing. Now there are different options. So Video Editor plus this, Video Suite, and Video Editor Plus. Well, I got the Video Editor Plus because it has all of these features here I'd like to teach you. And now you just say buy, okay? And then you put in the credentials and basically just buy it. Place order, and yeah, you download it. Now, that is how we download Movavi. Well, I already have it downloaded. So, how to use Movavi? First of all, to even start anything, you have to download some files to edit them or do anything. So, I have a couple of files here. Now, where is it? Okay. Now, you can just put them all at once in. There, you have them all. Now, and now, wait, I'm going to put them in a specific order. Now, the first thing you have to learn is on how to cut these things, because if you can see this is way too long. So how do we cut it? Well, one way is we can do Ctrl+B, or you can do this, because Ctrl+B is just a shortcut for the cutting tool. Well, what if you want to decrease it? Well, you don't have to cut to decrease it. Instead, you can just left click hold. You can you have to just left click and just move it around to how much length you want it to be. I'm just going to put it here for now. And let me decrease this maybe. Okay. Okay, you can also do, but what if you want to cut a middle part like this, okay? Like for this, okay? Let's say. Yeah. What if you want to cut a middle part? Then all you have to do is cut. I'm using Ctrl+B here. Next one, I'm just going to use this. Then cut. And then you have to cut, then you have to select the middle part of which you had cut it on from the others. And then click delete. Or you can click this trash button here. Okay. So now you have half of the video, 1/3 of it cut. See that? Here's the preview dialog. Okay. Now, let's just go back to normal. And now, we are going to learn about effects, filters. But before that, just know, there are some sample videos here, so you won't not always have to download. Like for music, let's say this. Yikes. Okay, this might be a bit too long. Yeah, I'm just gonna put the action adventure thing. Okay. And background, you don't have to exactly. Yeah, and maybe I'll just put the camera maybe. We're just trying to, for the sake of the video. Okay. So this will last up here, okay? But no, we don't like it. Okay, so now let's go on to filters. You see this menu here? This menu, you see? You should go there and click on filters. Now you have all of these things you can add to your clip. Like, let's go to maybe artistic, like this maybe. Let's see how it works. There, you see that? There. So let's add that. So all you have to do is just click on it, drag it over the clip you want to do it, and then you drop it. There. Now the clip has the filter. Now let's see how this works. Pretty nice. But still, it just doesn't look good. So maybe let's do maybe a color one. Yeah, color filters. And let's do this. Yeah, this will give more color to it. Maybe. Yeah, now that is good. So let's not remove the filter. Okay, but let's just make it look normal. Now there are all sorts of filters. Mosaic, light leaks, flying objects like autumn leaves. Yeah, I think flying objects would be good. Yeah, maybe I should add like one of these snowflakes. I would add this one. There. Now this is good. You see that? There. Now that's fine. Now let's move on to the filters, to the transitions. Now the transitions are to like basically like the way of how you move from one clip to the other clip. Like you want to see, this is one clip, but like this is one clip, but this is the other clip. And this is about how you like stretch apart your video to turn it into the other clip, basically. Like I'll show you what I mean. Like to put in a transition, these are called transitions. Like put the clip between the two clips you want the transition. Now check how this thing works. You see that? Well, let's do something artistic. Maybe? No, let's just go to feature maybe and do this circle out. There. So that's good enough. Okay. Now, let's add another transition for this part, in this between. In this part, okay? Now, maybe we should just do, no, let's do fade into black maybe? Let's do lens. No, let's do something smooth for now. There, yeah, that will work. That looks pretty original. Now let's go into the text. Well, for real, this is gonna be my, like, let's say, my journey thing, okay? So let's go to, like, here and let's search for a title that is good. Wait, let's check this out, maybe. No, well, it looks a bit too much. No. Wait, maybe this. There. So let's add this title. Now let's say you have only one, like, timeline bar, okay? Then the way to add some timeline is to add a video track, like to add some more tracks. So go to this thing here, with this plus sign, and click on it. You'll get these options and click add video track. There, now you have some more area. Now drag it here. Wait, it'll take some time. It just needs to learn. There. Okay, fine. Let me just do it here, maybe. There. Now, we don't want this text exactly to be overlapping, so let's just put it here. But no, actually, let's just go to the clip properties, okay? This button here, maybe. And then you just reduce the time. There. Now this will work. And now, we don't want this text. No, I mean like, wait, let's see. Wait, this is quite confusing. See that? Now we don't want this your text thing. So let's go to here. Like, just click on it. And then you'll get this clip editing thing. Now, you see this text here? Now we can edit our text here. Your text. Now backspace that and put in something like, let's say, my journey. There. Now what if we want that to look different? Just go on and click on it, okay? And now let's just turn it black. Well, no, maybe not black. Well, let's do it for text again. Well, let's turn it maybe a bit red. Or maybe yellow. Yeah, yellow will work. Now what about this text? Yeah, this text you can also change. Now we can change it to, let's say, maybe my dream, maybe? And now this text here, like you see this different text here? Wait. Wait, go to the... There. Now change it to maybe world class, maybe? Now let's check that out. Wait, it'll take some time. There. This is pretty good, but let's change the color also of this. Wait, it'll just take some. Now, let's change it to maybe blue. Yeah, that'll work. And this also to blue. There. There, now let's check this out. This will be good. Okay, wait, we gotta make it a bit more clear, the text. So let's just put in maybe a bit of red, okay? And this bit of red too. Now this is gonna be good. Wait, it'll take some time. There. There. So for now we're just done with the titles. But remember, titles can be very useful, like all of these things. Speech bubbles and all of that. Now stickers. Well, you can only find this in Movavi Plus or later, I'm very sure of. Now, you can get these awesome cool things like animated checkmark. It can move itself and create itself. Animated rectangle also. And maybe airplane, which you can learn to animate later. Okay, so these stickers are basically just things to put on your video's pictures. So another thing for why you don't have to download things. Now this is the tool section where you really edit your video. Like edit the animation, the color adjustments, the audio editing, overlay, like videos together, crop and rotate, all of this. Like this thing makes it looks the video really realistic. So yeah, so that's basically an overview on the basics of Movavi Video Editor Plus. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, see you next time.